Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Virgos. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career circumstances. And one card for your moon energies, what you truly feel today, Virgos. If you want more clarity, Virgos, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here. We have Nine of Fire, Queen of Earth, Ace. Sorry guys, it's Ace of Water. So Virgos, you are someone who is a very practical person. So you know what will work and what will be the right action, and you go for it. And you are committed, responsible. So whatever choices you make, you stand by those choices, you try to do your best, give in your best, and make honest efforts in your situation. So you are someone committed to your goals. Maybe you may see some obstacles, something may not go as you expect. Whatever it is, you work hard trying to do your best in any situation, guys, Virgos. So even in this relationship, maybe you want this person, you love them, and you are doing your best to bring that harmony, balance, and love. You have true love on this person, and you want certain things, maybe you expect certain things from them, and that is what you are seeing today, guys. Maybe the way they are, the way they speak, or the way their actions, maybe something telling you that they are not like you, or they are not reciprocating that love, trust, and respect you have for them. So some kind of confusion or uncertainty is there in your future in this relationship, for this relationship. But whatever it is, guys, what you have towards them is true love, and it is unconditional love, and that is what is influencing you to be the person you are today. Maybe you want to go out of the way, try your best, have those dreams, continue to have those dreams, even though they do not they do not respect you, or they do not care for you. Maybe even if they are planning to go away from you, parting ways with you, whatever it is, this love you have is truly unconditional love, and unconditional love never expects anything in return. So you just love them for what the reasons may be, that quality of love you have towards them, guys, and you are not expecting anything in return. So maybe it may be towards this person you are in relationship with, or for some of you, if you are in separation, this may be towards your past person, guys, Virgos. So for your relationship, we picked one card, guys, and it says Six of Fire. So with this card, maybe you need to, what to say, go the way you feel it's the right thing for you, and have that trust in yourself, in your actions. Believe in yourself first. Only then your actions will be right. So maybe the way you are in this relationship, way you handle yourself, it's simply going to be an inspiration, and maybe someday this person will be inspired by this unconditional love you have for them, Virgos. So for your career situation, we have 8 of Earth. So with this card, it just means that there are, what to say, huge opportunities coming, using your skills and talents, and you need to, what to say, make honest efforts. If you are already doing that, you are going to taste success very soon, guys. So for your moon energies, Virgos, full moon in Aries, a fiery climax approaches. So maybe you are in some circumstance, maybe because you are seeing this situation from your point of view. Maybe you should think of this circumstance from a different perception. Think of it from the way your person thinks. Ask yourself whether you have handled the circumstance sensitively, without being too harsh or too rash or too fast. So maybe you are the reason for this circumstance today, and if that is true, you will know what you need to do to come out of this difficult situation, guys. So that is what I see, guys. And if you are truly interested in meditation or some kind of religious practice, you can go for that, Virgos. That is going to give you a lot of peace and happiness. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. So we have the Princess and the Pea, sensitivity. So with this card in your circumstances today, maybe you have a very heightened sensitivity today. Maybe in your heart of hearts, something is telling you what is right and what is wrong. It may be your intuition working or your instincts working, whatever it is, guys, you need to trust that. And maybe if you have an experience or if you are an already a very sensitive person, sensitive to people, sensitive to your circumstances, to emotions, maybe today, even without people telling you how they feel, you may realize what is there in their heart. You may understand them emotionally, and that is because you are feeling really sensitive today, sensitive to the people, your surroundings. So whatever you feel deep down, you must trust that, guys. So maybe when you are making some important decisions, something tells you that you should make a particular choice or decide in a particular way. you must go for it. And your feelings or your intuition is right today, and you need to trust that. And you can never, what to say, hide what you truly feel today. Maybe something has come up and you realize that what it is, and maybe even if you are not taking those actions, you're not speaking on that subject, maybe whatever it may be, but the way you are, you may feel that this is the right thing, and you may have that trust and faith in your intuition. So that is going to influence your actions even without you telling about your sensitivity or telling someone about your intuition. Whatever it is, the intuition you have is going to influence your actions and words, and that is the way things are going to be today, guys. So maybe if you feel that you cannot trust yourself, you cannot trust what you truly feel, you must give up that idea and you must go for what your intuition is telling you, because that may be the right thing for you and that may be the right decision for you today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is your second card. For those who chose this card, it's happy, happy. A very positive card here, guys. So no matter what your situation is today, everything is falling into place for you, and this is the time you feel really close to this person you love, and you feel that you can tell them anything and without wanting anything in return, loving them for the sake of love, not for anything else. So that is the way things are going to be, guys. So when you have that unconditional love towards this person, it is going to work in a magical way today in your relationship, guys. So the grass is greenest where you are right now, and you can be happy, grateful for the way things are going. And you should not forget, no matter what your situation is, maybe you are seeing some trouble, something is worrying you in this relationship, whatever it is, you just need to let go of all that. Lighten up, just have fun, be playful, cheerful, and you will be surprised how everything will change in your circumstances. And being happy attracts more happiness, just like bees are attracted to honey. So no matter what your circumstances are, just being happy will attract more happiness in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.